Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A74, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle, which looks like it is turned off by default, so we will need to add it. And you do so by simply tapping on the square right here. There we go, that took a while. And from here we can find the toggle somewhere here. Oh, there we go. So it was on the first page right here. So once you find it, what you want to do is grab it. You will feel a vibration when you hold the toggle, at which point you can drag it over here, drop it, and when you go back, you will have the toggle permanently added to your toggles right here. So from here, you can simply tap on the toggle to enable it with whatever default parameters it is set to. Nice, doing a simple tap on it. But you can also hold it to access the settings, where we will have options to customize how it works a little bit more. So number one, we have calls and messages. We can select who can call us and message us. As you can see, we have options between anyone, contacts, favorites, or no one, with a slight difference of calls having this toggle right here. So if someone calls us twice within a 3-minute period, the second time they call, they will be able to completely bypass this option right here and reach us without any problem. Now this option is fairly good without call for emergency situations. People spam call you, and that will allow them to get a hold of you if they really need to. So anyway, we have also a couple of additional things like schedules right here. If you want that, you can set up a schedule so it will turn on and off automatically at given day of the week and time. And we also have notifications, so you can set what kind of notifications will pop up. And once you have set it all up, all you need to do now is simply tap on the toggle when you want to turn it on or off, if you are not using a schedule. If you are, you don't even need to turn it on from here. You just need to check the schedule on, and it will then automatically turn the toggle on when it's time. Now that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.